Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can convert photo to PDF in Android phone. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, search for Microsoft 365 and tap on this app tile. Now, download it onto your mobile device, and once the downloading completes, open it up. Again, sign into your Microsoft account and then navigate to the Create tab. Here, select PDF from the menu and then tap on Importing a photo. Now, select all of the target images and tap on the arrow icon at bottom right corner. On this page, you can resize, edit and reorder the selected images. Once you are done, tap on the Finish button, then select Save to Phone. After that, close this tab and navigate to the Capture section. Here, select the newly created PDF and then tap on the three dots icon at the bottom. Inside it, tap on Save As, then choose the preferred location and tap on Save. Now, if I go to that specific location, you can see that the PDF has been created successfully. That's how you can convert photo to PDF in Android phone. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.